Hello! In this video, we will show you how to replace the spin-on dial unit on your shoes. No special tools are required other than a small flathead screwdriver and a pair of pliers. 1. Pull up the dial, insert the screwdriver into the gap, and pry it outward to separate the dial from the shoe. 2. Cut the end of the wire using the pliers. 3. Insert the ends of the wire into the reel following the direction of the arrow. 4. Tie a knot at the end of the wire. 5. Trim the tail of the knot to 4 millimeters. 6. Pull the wire firmly to secure the knot in the hole on the reel. 7. Repeat the same process for the other wire. 8. Pull the wire straight and push the reel into the dial until it clicks. 9. Insert the larger hook of the dial into the matching larger hole on the shoe base, then press down until it clicks. 10. Rotate the dial to ensure it is properly assembled.